crap, I barely got this on film.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Lincoln County until 4:15 p.m.
Holy
At 3:42
crap.
p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Kirkersville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Hebron, Harbor Hills, Deeth. In addition, Brownsville and Gradient are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 124 and 144. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report tornadoes, final clouds, strong winds, or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Monday evening for northeastern Kentucky and southwest Ohio.
Isn't going to be long before the TV receives it. Is that a tornado siren I hear? It is? It is. Oh, crap, 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 crap. We are so screwed.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Muskegon County and east central Ohio, Coshocton County and east central Ohio, western Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 15 miles northwest of Leyland to 51 miles southwest of East Boltonham, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, New Guilford, Nellie, Leyland, Warsaw, Litchfield, Cooperdale, Dillon State Park, East Boltonham, Coshocton, Drake, Cone,